Another concept that managers have to deal with is sexual harassment, and this is unwelcomed verbal or physical sexual attention. And this can be a variety of things, such as harassment because of your gender. It can be a hostile work environment. It can be comments that people make. It could be pictures people post. It's unwanted touching, repeated pressure for dates or sexual favors, sexual coercion, which consists of demands for sexual favors. Um, and if those favors aren't given, there are job related threats or promises. So, sexual harassment is very serious because it affects an employee's job conditions and it creates a hostile working environment. And it is really important that organizations um, adhere to laws and create and adhere to policies to help prevent this unwanted harassment. There's different types of justice within an organization and kind of um, theories of justice or philosophies. One is distributive justice, and this is that fairness of is the fairness of the outcomes that one receives in an organization. And procedural justice is the fairness of the process through which the outcomes are allocated in an organization. I'm going to let you read a little bit more about that one. Um, Individual and organizational responsibilities. One of the things when we look at ethics is understanding what a whistleblower is. And a whistleblower is somebody who notifies authorities about the misconducts of his or her firm or coworkers. A lot in the past, I feel like a whistleblower was looked at in a negative manner, but I think as it's become more acceptable to report unethical behavior, that whistleblowing has become maybe doesn't have the stigma it once had. A lot of companies will have a whistleblower hotline where you can anonymously through phone or email or whatever, or maybe suggestion box, whatever it might be, report unethical behavior. Social responsibility is actually an organization's duty to behave ethically in our social environment. And so this looks at not only protecting the environment, protecting worker safety, supporting social issues, investing in the community. So it's really doing things that are good for your community and your employees and your customers and the environment, which ultimately lead to a better world. So that is kind of the key terms that you need to know, or the key concepts you need to know for Chapter 2. If you have any questions, please contact me. Thanks.